Schwang to machinery technology. 3 roller plate rolling machine rolled cylinder is not to round. How to correct? First, use the percentage meter to measure the height difference between the 2 ends of the roll axis. Adjust the foot bolt or support structure to ensure that the upper and lower rolls are parallel. Second, the use of multiple small deformation roll approach. The first pre-roll and then gradually increase the number of times and the amount of deformation. Each time to check the roundness and mark multiple rolls to change the direction of the appropriate to offset the residual stress to make the cylinder more regular. Third, real-time detection of the rolled plate with the inner diameter micrometer or laser range finder to measure the size of the inner diameter of different positions. There are problems in time to adjust. In short, these operations can improve the quality of rolled plate.